Hi, just looking at the birds in the park. See how they're just happy flying around. That's how God takes care of them. See how they depend on God. If God can take care of them, He can take care of us humans. We are His children. We just have to depend on Him and trust Him. He is our Father. Don't give up. Don't give up. He said that He takes care of lilies, the grasses, the birds. So how much more us, the children? Look at how this one is flying. That's so beautiful. Look at them flying, happy. They're all flying, they're all happy. They are not thinking about anything. And that's how God wants us to be. Depend on Him, love Him, and He got our back. Look at it. I'm so happy observing and watching this. And the thought that came to my mind, lilies, how God takes care of them, and He can take care of us. Look at them flying. That's beautiful. That's so beautiful. Alright guys, let's keep trusting God. Let's keep loving God. Let's keep doing